When it comes to heavy-duty construction projects, having the right tools is essential to ensure efficiency, accuracy, and durability. Among the many tools used in construction, a coil framing nailer is a must-have for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Designed specifically for framing applications, this powerful tool can drive nails quickly and securely into various materials, making it an indispensable asset on the job site. A coil framing nailer stands out from other nail guns due to its unique magazine design. Instead of using a straight strip of nails, it utilizes a coil-shaped magazine that can hold a larger quantity of nails. This feature increases productivity by reducing the frequency of reloading, allowing users to work continuously without interruptions. When searching for the best coil framing nailer, several key factors need to be considered. First and foremost, power and performance are crucial. A top-tier coil framing nailer should possess sufficient driving force to effortlessly sink nails into dense materials like hardwood or engineered lumber. 5 DeWalt 20V Max XR. The DeWalt 20V Max XR brushless cordless oscillating multi-tool has received a positive review from Kenny Kohler. The overall rating is 9.2 out of 10, making it one of the top models available. The design is solid, performance is steady, and there are meaningful upgrades from the previous version. The tool offers 3 speeds and has a comfortable handle design with multiple grip options. Accessory changes are fast and easy with the quick change system. The tool performs well in various tasks and the vibration is more controlled compared to the previous model. It has a competitive speed in the PTR test track, finishing in 3rd place overall. The tool's design allows for maneuverability and the brushless motor helps maintain high cutting and sanding speeds. The tool has a lock-off and lock-on switch, and its size and weight are manageable. While some accessories require a universal adapter, the overall value proposition of the DeWalt 20V Max XR oscillating multi-tool is excellent. 4 Passload, Cordless XP Framing. Kenny Kohler's review of the Passload Cordless XP Framing Nailer highlights its capabilities and areas for improvement. The overall rating is 7.9 out of 10, making it the most capable choice among current cordless framing nailers, but there is still room for growth compared to pneumatic options. The nailer is praised by professionals, particularly for punch list work. It stands out for its lightweight design at 7.36 pounds and the absence of a hose and compressor. The nailer fires powerfully and has excellent toe-nailing capability and recoil control. However, it is more expensive than premium pneumatic nailers and requires a battery and gas cartridge. Some users dislike the gas exhaust smell, and it lacks a bump fire mode and holds only 1 stick of nails. In testing, the Passload Cordless XP performed well in terms of feature set, firing strength, toe-nailing, and recoil control. It has a slight delay compared to pneumatic guns but still performs admirably. The magazine capacity is limited to 1 stick of nails, and the depth adjustment mechanism may require positioning the hand in a riskier position. 3 Metabo HPT 36V Multi-Volt Cordless. The Metabo HPT 36V Multi-Volt Cordless Framing Nailer is a highly capable tool for remodeling work. It offers several advantages, including the power to drive nails into laminated veneer lumber, LVL, effectively and zero firing delay. The nailer is compatible with an AC adapter, has a reversible hang hook, and provides a smooth operating drive depth adjustment. It can deliver up to 900 shots per charge on a 2.5 Ah battery. While the nailer is slightly heavier than pneumatic options and can only hold 1 stick of nails, these drawbacks are not significant enough to diminish its overall performance. The tool exhibits excellent driving power, although it may initially struggle with driving 3 1/4 inch framing nails into level. However, after a few shots, it performs well. The driving speed is impressive, allowing for up to 3 nails per second. The recoil is similar to stronger pneumatic guns, making bump firing in harder materials more challenging. 2 Metabo HPT Finish Nailer Kit. Metabo HPT, formerly Hitachi Power Tools, offers a series of cordless brushless finish nailers, including the NT1850 DISM 18-gauge 2-inch cordless brad nailer, the NT1865 DMSM 16-gauge 2.5-inch cordless straight finish nailer, and the NT1865 DMSM 15-gauge 2.5-inch cordless angled finish nailer. These nailers are powered by a 3.0 Ah lithium-ion battery, compatible with all 18 volts Metabo HPT tools, and equipped with a multiplex protection circuit to prevent overload, overcharge, and overdischarge. Key features common to all the nailers include an on-tool battery charge indicator, tool-free depth of drive dial, selective actuation switch for sequential or bump fire mode, tool-free jam removal, automatic power shutoff after 30 minutes of inactivity, and a side lock switch to prevent accidental firing. They also have a belt hook, LED work light, and a dry fire lockout feature. 1 Vevor Pneumatic Nail Gun CN80. The Vevor CN80 coil nailer is a pneumatic siding nailer designed for efficient and precise nailing work. It offers a smooth performance with toolless depth adjustment, allowing for flush and countersink nailing. The nailer operates at an air pressure of 100 to 114 psi/7 to 8 kg per square centimeter and features a 360-degree tool-free air exhaust device for directing the output air. The nailer has a 2 inches length nail magazine with a 300 nail capacity, enabling users to complete a substantial amount of work without frequent reloading. The side-loading magazine has a one-step open system for easy fixing of jams and adjustments. Constructed with durable materials, the Vevor CN80 coil nailer weighs 8.7 pounds/3.95 kilograms and features an aluminum housing that withstands heavy use and resists rust. The high-strength PC magazine offers excellent abrasion resistance, and the nailer is equipped with large carbide inserts for long-lasting performance. In conclusion, when it comes to selecting the best coil framing nailer, several factors should be considered, such as performance, durability, ease of use, and versatility. Based on these criteria, the Metabo HPT 36V multi-volt cordless framing nailer stands out as a top choice. The Metabo HPT nailer delivers exceptional power, allowing it to drive nails into challenging materials like laminated veneer lumber, LVL. It overcomes firing delays that are often problematic in other nailer designs, providing zero firing delay for efficient and smooth operation. Additionally, the Metabo HPT nailer offers compatibility with an AC adapter, extending its runtime and versatility. It provides a comfortable handle design, adjustable drive depth, and a reversible hang hook for added convenience. With a high shot capacity per charge and the option to use higher capacity batteries, the Metabo HPT nailer ensures ample runtime for most framing tasks.